Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to narrow down your search by using filters on the Nespresso application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the order button down below, which is the third option, and then click on the filter section in the upper right corner of the screen. Here you can select the active filters, which is the cup size, intensity and aroma. So in the first section you can select the cup size. You have a bunch of options here such as Alto, Carafe, Coffee, Double Espresso, Espresso, Grand Lungo, Ristretto. After that you can also select the intensity from 1 to 14 and the aroma as well. You have a bunch of options here, and you can select more than one. Tap on the OK button in the upper right corner of the screen to apply the filters, and here you're going to see all of the results. So if you tap on the relevant one, you're going to find a brief description about it, and you can check out the ingredients as well. Then finally you can add it to your shopping basket by tapping on the plus icon. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.